Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to fix the brightness keys not working in Windows 11. That sometimes brightness keys usually do not work on desktop PCs because brightness is controlled by the monitor hardware, not Windows. So here's the first step to begin with. Turn on your Windows PC and make sure to log in. Right click the Start menu and select Settings. Click the System option, choose Display, and check if a brightness slider appears. If there is no brightness slider option, your monitor controls brightness, not Windows. Now press Windows plus X and click Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right click your graphics driver like Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA. Click Update Driver and choose Search automatically for drivers. If already updated, just right-click the driver again, click Uninstall Device, and restart your PC. Windows will reinstall it. Then go back to Device Manager, expand Monitors, right-click your monitor, click Update Driver. You can also check your keyboard software like Logitech Options, Razer Synapse, Corsair IQ, etc. Make sure brightness keys are enabled. Use your monitor's physical buttons or menu to adjust brightness. Desktop PCs do not control brightness with Windows keys unless the monitor supports it. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.